Hello guys and welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to categorize your products in your Shopify store. First, you need to make sure that you have products in your store. As you can see, I have 2 sunglasses and 1 bag. To categorize these products, we need to create collections. Under the product, you can click here Collections, and here you can see that a collection is already created by default. To create specific collection for products, just go and click this button here, Create Collection, and name that collection. In my case, I will name my collection Sunglasses. And I will give a description here. Here you can select the collection type, if you want to add the products to this collection one by one, or an automated way of collection type. In my case, I want a manual type, so I will select manual. And here I want this collection to be published in all my sales channels. Click Save, and now we have created a collection. You can click here View on your online store to view this collection. And you can see that the collection of sunglasses is created successfully, but there is no product found. Go back to your store and go to Products. Now here manually you can select which products you want in your sunglasses collection. In my case, I have these 2 products, so I will click on the first, and here at the product organization I will select collection and click sunglasses. Click Save and go back to the products to add the second product. In the same way, at the product organization, at the collections, I want to select sunglasses. Click Save and go back to the sunglasses collection. If we refresh this page, here you can see that we have only sunglasses in this collection. Now, what we can do also is go to your My Store. But how do our customers get to this page? We don't have any link of this collection, so we can go and add one at the categories on our navigation bar. To do so, just go to your store and click Online Store. Here under the Online Store, you have Navigation bar. Click Navigation and select the main menu. Now here you can add a menu item. Click on this and name the menu. And name the item. I will name the item as my collection, sunglasses. And here you can click here at the link and go to Collections and select only sunglasses. Click Add, and now we have successfully added the sunglasses collection. Now we can drag and drop this under the categories. So this will be a subpage of categories. And now click Save Menu and go back to our store. Click Refresh, and now here under the categories you can see sunglasses. So if the customers are on our home page, they can navigate to the sunglasses by clicking this arrow here and click sunglasses. Okay guys, this is how we add categories to our Shopify store. I hope you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Till the next time we meet, see ya.